Hi guys, just a quick video. So I've just done a garden here, and there's just a couple of plants I really want to show you. Colours on them absolutely lovely. So the first one, I'll turn you around, is a Japanese maple. You can see it there, so let's go and have a close look. Now I've seen these before, but seeing as though there's two nice things in this garden, I just thought I'd get the camera out. Just lovely colours, absolutely lovely. Against the backdrop of the fence and stuff, just I love it. And over here is, I think it's definitely a hydrangea. I think it's a dark leaf hydrangea, a dark angel possibly, I'm not 100% sure, but the leaves are almost like tartan. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I've seen one of this type before, I'm not sure, I don't think I have, but yeah, gorgeous looking flower, that one plant. Yeah, really nice them, especially the hydrangea. It's nice when you do a garden and you know, they've got nice plants and shrubs and that, and makes a big difference to your day, I think. Yeah, just a quick one this time. See you next one, guys.